Hi, this video will show you how to register on the e-way bill system launched by the Indian government. The process is quite simple for GST registered people and requires only your goods and service tax identification number, that is GSTIN, and your registered mobile number for verification. E-way bill will be compulsory for all interstate movements of goods from 1st Feb. Visit ewaybill.nic.in. But this website will change to ewaybillgst.gov.in from the 1st of Feb. On the home page, click on e-way bill registration. A new page would appear. Here, enter your GST and the captcha code and click Go. Your details would appear on the screen along with your registered email ID and your registered mobile number. If they match, then click on Send OTP. Otherwise, click Update from GST Common Portal. On clicking Send, a pop-up would appear mentioning that the OTP has been sent. Enter the OTP and click on Verify OTP. If the OTP is correct, again a pop-up mentioning the same would appear. Then the user ID and password field would appear. Here, you need to enter your user ID, which should be of at least 6 characters, limited to a maximum of 15. You can use alphabets, numbers, and certain special characters. Once you have filled all the details, click on Submit. Successful registration would be depicted by a pop-up and you would be redirected. You can now log in using your login credentials.